Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Market Puzzle channel. So मैंने कुछ stocks बताया था. I have given some stocks, and of course, I'm here to tell again that we are not a SEBI registered. It is purely based on what price action what I'll be using. Okay, so we are not responsible for your financial decisions. Please do approach your financial advisor for any investment advisors and not us. Okay, so this is only for educational purposes. सो चलो ठीक है चलता है. सो मेरा पोजीशन कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है. आई हैव जस्ट इन्वेस्टेड 5600 रुपीज़ दिस मंथ in the stocks of Amara Raja Batteries, AU Bank, Gujarat Gas, and IRCTC. As of today, somewhere around it was showing more than 80 rupees profit. That is somewhere around 2% on the capital, I believe so. Sorry, 1.6% somewhere. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts of each and every stock. um, just let me open trading view. Yes, so these are the four stocks that I have divided my investments into. Okay, just let me close all this and go to the 1 day time frame, because it is a swing trading, right? Now, why did I take entries in these stocks? I have already told in the previous videos. If you haven't watched the video, please watch the video. Okay, so now this stock AU Bank, when there was a yesterday when there was a breakout of this range, I had taken the entry. So for me, this still looks positive, and my stop loss is somewhere over here. Right. So, and my target is somewhere over 672 to uh yes, 672 to 700 somewhere is my profit, is what I'm aiming for. Or it is in such a demand place that I'm expecting for it to make a new high, because this is a basic price action, guys. Let me show you that on the chart itself. Yes, whenever the market came at this area, you saw a very good movement. It made a new all time high. Okay, and then it made a flag, and then gave a breakdown, retest, and downfall. Now it went sideways for few days. Okay, just like it went sideways for here accumulation stage, we call it as an accumulation stage, right? And here, so these are all the demand areas of the stock. As you can see here also, there was a powerful breakout, and there was an amazing up move and making a new all-time high. And then when the market came down, made a price action, accumulated, made a new all-time high, came down, accumulated for 2 days, 3 days, and then broke out for the levels, made a new all-time high, made a bear flag. And now again, market is will going to follow the same. So this is what we call a price action. This is how a price moves, right? So now, since it is an accumulation stage and it has given a very good breakout, I'm expecting either a all-time high, at least somewhere here, to book the profits. And this I'm going to hold for around 1 month, 2 months. I'll wait for my profits or my targets. Okay, so let's not waste some more time on the same stock. Let's jump to Amara Raja Batteries. Okay, so guys, in Amara Raja Batteries, as you can see, let me delete this. Yes, as you can see, I already explained why I have taken the trade, because it is in its very, very, very good demand zone. You can see over here, this is a very great demand zone, and this is a very good accumulation zone for Amara Raja Batteries. So let's take a deeper look on 1 day time frame. So yes, we are in the 1 day time frame itself. Okay, now let's see, whenever the price came to these levels, let's see how the price have behaved, right? Now, Yes, this. So these are the three times in the past maybe 8 to 10 years the market has come. So when the market in 2014, when it come to this level, it made a new all-time high. This is the same concept which I now explained in the AU Bank, right? And then it just gave a correction after a lot of years, and then again in 2020, after 6 years, we had got the stock in the same level, and then it made a new high, right? Here it had literally failed making a new high, but you know, it had corrected at least 90% of up move of compared to the previous side, right? Now, even for as a safe trader, I am not that much risky trader, so at least I am looking 90% of correction of previous high. So when the market is in this demand zone, I'm expecting a movement of at least this level, right? That will be somewhere around 800 to 900 is what I'm expecting. 860, 870 is my target on this stock, and I'll be holding it for around 2 to 3 months or 2 months. As I told, this is a short term trade. And let's go for Gujarat Gas. Okay, okay, yes. This is a very clear picture of, you know, uh, price action. Let me show you this in a very far time frame, like about a month maybe. Yes, as already discussed, guys, uh, market had made an M pattern. The Gujarat Gas has made a had already made an M pattern, and for the first time, after the buyers were interested, the buyers were able to take themselves out, uh, take their previous high, that is somewhere around excuse me, guys, somewhere 469 high. They were able to break that, right? And yesterday in one day chart, they were able to close above that, so I took an entry there. Let's see how it goes, because this is also a very good accumulation stage. So while trading in price action, guys, always know about these things. There is something called, I don't know what exactly, uh, what theory it is called, I don't know. But let me tell you this very important point in a price action, right? Whenever the market has to go upside, right, every time market follows a structure, and I know most of you guys know about this. uh, every time a market goes up or down, there is a structure that always it follows. I don't know what theory it is called exactly, but all I want is money in my passbook. So I know a few little things which are helpful for me in the price action. I'm not here to learn complete market. I'm not Jim Simons, or I'm not some great trader. I'm just here for my bread and butter, right? So every time the market has to go up, it has to go through an accumulation stage, give a breakout, make a up rally, and then it accumulates, break down, give a down rally. Otherwise, accumulate, breakout, up rally, accumulate, breakout, up rally, or create a bearish flag and then come down. Either this scenario or this scenario is going to happen in the market. You can watch the market in a higher time frame, like 1 minute, sorry, 1 month, or 1 week. I hope so, in 1 week. In every time frame, you will find these kind of price action. So these are the very important things about price action. So yes, guys, I'll make a separate video on how to analyze stocks, how to take entries and all those things. So as of now, yes, Gujarat Gas still looks strong for me, uh, and my target is somewhere at least 540 to 585. So let's see how this goes. And IRCTC, I didn't explain analysis of this stock previously, guys, so just let me explain this for you now. See, what the chart is telling for us is that there was a very good, you know, consolidation over here. You can see this upward consolidation, M pattern, or it creates pattern, and then correction, and then as you can see this is the very first time in the previous, March, April, May, June, July was the very first month that has buyers were interested in the stock. Why they were interested at this level is because this is where the breakout of this accumulation stage happened, right? uh, this level of accumulation was broke down at this stages. And can you see this very, very, very big green candle in the month of maybe September last year? So this is the area where the buyers are interested. This is the area where buyers are interested. So when there was a green candle, I just bought the stock above the green candle, and my target is at least of last time how much high it made in the September month. That is somewhere around 780 to 800 is my target. So let's see how it goes. So these are a few things about price action also, guys. uh, I'm planning to make a separate video on explaining how to read charts using just a price action. And if you're very new to this channel, please do subscribe, guys. We are a very new channel, new into this, so please subscribe us. Thank you so much, guys.